having a panic attack and I was sitting outside of my mom's house and I'm just trying to get to my boyfriend's house. I'm sorry, officer. I bartend at Blake's and I've been having a panic attack all night.
Oh, you have your license on you?
Yeah, I do, sir. Please don't arrest me, please.
Why would I arrest you?
Because I'm having such a panic attack.
Panic attacks aren't against the law.
Right away, this stop takes an emotional turn. The driver insists she's having a panic attack, but from the officer's perspective, unusual driving behavior and extreme anxiety can also be warning signs of impairment. At this point, both sides are seeing two completely different versions of reality, and that's exactly where things start to spiral.
Panic attacks aren't against the law.
I'm supposed to pay off a boot in Providence. I'm sorry, that's why I wasn't waiting you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
What's your type? Just stop talking. Stop. Just be quiet. You're making things worse. Because you keep talking. Just shut your mouth, please. Okay. Step out. Get out of your car.
No.
You get out of the car, the window gets smashed.
No.
Get out of the car.
Officer?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Just do yourself a favor and just get out.
No, please. No, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm very scared. I have debilitating anxiety.
Okay, listen, here's the deal. All right? If you have such anxiety, okay, you're flying down the road, then you try ducking me down some side streets, pulling into a parking lot, and shutting your lights off, pretending I didn't see you.
That wasn't what it was. I was pulling off
Then,
the
not
side
to
of the
mention,
road.
you don't have a license.
I do have a
It's
license.
suspended.
No, it's not.
It is.
My license is not suspended.
Here's the first major turning point. The officer says the driver's license is suspended, while she passionately denies it. Whether it's a misunderstanding or outdated records, arguing on a roadside almost never changes the outcome. The investigation is only getting started, and emotions are quickly taking
license
control.
is not suspended.
Okay, I just ran it. The state
My
of
license-
Stop.
As of when?
As of last year.
No, my license is...
Why are we screaming? Why are we screaming?
Because my license... Jimmy, they're saying my license is suspended as of last year. No, my license, Jimmy.
Can you come get her?
Jimmy, are you listening?
Stop!
No. Jimmy, are you listening to them?
Jimmy, is there any way you can come get her?
Yeah, I can come get her.
Come get her, please.
They're saying, Jimmy, my license is suspended.
Stop! Why are you screaming?
Jimmy, shut up!
Oof.
They are saying my license is suspended as of...
They just asked me if I could come get you. I can come get you right
Are you listening, Jimmy?
How much you having anything to drink tonight?
now. Or I can come get you.
Behind the
I just got off of work.
at a bar.
Where can I come get you?
They just said that my license is suspended as of
Hold on.
last.
Stop talking, Jimmy.
I can come get you.
Jimmy.
Excuse
Stop.
me. No, officer.
You're working your way into jail, okay? I'm going to tell you that right now. Just stop talking and let me talk to Jimmy.
My license is suspended, Jimmy. Jimmy, no. Jimmy, they said my license is suspended as of last year. I'm calling mommy.
Shut up.
I'll be calling mommy.
If you talk to mommy like that, I'm sure she's gonna hang up on you too.
You know, I was having Jimmy come pick you up, but you hung up on him, so I couldn't even tell him where you're at.
Mommy is head of City Highway.
I don't care what your mommy is. You're
Hi,
not gonna be the
Mommy.
president of the United States.
Hi, mommy. So I'm driving home from work, and these officers are saying that my license has been suspended since last year.
No, that was reinstated when you went to court.
I'm telling you right now, I just ran it. It comes back as suspended.
Yeah, my license comes back as suspended. So I'm sitting right outside of Taco.
No, you're about a mile away.
Taco's right there.
This isn't Taco.
Yep, that's Taco. That is Taco.
How much you had to drink tonight?
He's being what's your badge number?
Sergeant DeCosta.
Sergeant DeCosta.
This is all on camera. It's all on camera, the whole thing.
Right.
So that's not really.
Yeah,
It doesn't
is.
help in your cause.
Mommy, I didn't do anything wrong.
Where you going?
I was trying to come home,
I thought you were going to your boyfriend's house.
which is right next to my mom's house. You f***ing asshole.
She's right. Your mom's right.
No, I'm damn not. Can you please come? They're not giving me space to talk to you alone. They followed me. I was driving right. They followed me all the way into this parking lot. I hid here because I was being followed home, and now Sergeant DaCosta is standing outside of my car.
The funny part is we're trying to get you out of here because clearly they don't want to deal with you either.
Oh, they just said that you and Jimmy both don't want to deal with me.
You talk to everyone like
Notice how the officers repeatedly offer opportunities for someone else to pick her up. That could have been the easiest exit from this situation. Instead, the conversation keeps escalating. Have you ever seen a traffic stop where talking more actually made things worse? Let me know in the comments.
talk to everyone like
Because I'm a piece of shit. Because I'm a piece of shit. They need to get away from me.
I said you talk to everyone like
Mommy, you need to fucking get here.
someone come get here.
Are they gonna? They said if somebody shows up here, they'll let me fucking go. But close my fucking door, please, and thank you.
Listen, you're not in charge of this car stop, okay? You're working your way into jail. Keep running your mouth.
Oh, Mommy, I'm not a I ain't no
That's real nice.
That's real good.
Yeah, I ain't no fucking
That's real good.
Work on that.
You should work on that.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that. Get them the fuck away from me. These people do not know. Tell him where I am.
Where does your mom work again?
City Highway Department.
Bodycam footage go out, sees you acting like this. Oh, that's gonna look on.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me
I
either.
can't wait. She's been there 30 years.
This is gonna look terrible.
Ew.
Yeah.
If you'd like to come pick up this lovely lady.
This lovely lady.
Someone come get her.
This lovely lady. Tell her my name. Do you have my name? Do you have my name? What's my name?
You're hanging up on everyone that's trying to help you.
I don't know, seriously.
I don't understand it. I don't understand.
Shut your f***ing mouth and don't say another word to that cop. Don't say another word, you a crap.
Real much. And you
Okay.
need 24,000.
Tell me what your badge numbers are.
You're obviously videotaping it so you can read it off my shirt.
No, I can't. I don't have my glasses on, so tell me your badge numbers. It's facing me and I can't turn it around. So what's your badge number? Say it. Sir.
You can read it.
What is your badge number? No, I can't. I don't have my fucking glasses. If I can't get out of my car. 408, what's yours? 513.
Actually, you know what?
513. Yeah.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I was at work all night.
Yep, and you work at a bar. When you just step out of the car to scream in my face, I detected a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath. So I'm going to ask you to do a field sobriety test.
I'm not doing it.
Then you're going to go to jail.
I'm not
Step
doing
out of the
it.
car.
No, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
Sir, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
This is the moment
No.
everything changes legally. Once an officer detects signs of possible intoxication, requesting field sobriety tests becomes part of the DUI investigation. Refusing those tests doesn't automatically prove guilt, but it often leads officers to rely on the evidence they've already
Not
observed.
doing it.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not doing it. Don't do that to me.
Oh, you did everything to
You
yourself.
walked away. You got out of your car and screamed in my face.
You didn't give me your badge number.
Where I can smell your breath.
You did not give me your
Get out of
badge
the car.
number.
Get out of the car.
You did not give me your badge number.
I'll ask you one last time to get out of your car.
No, sir, don't do that to me. You didn't give me your badge number.
I think you've been drinking a little bit,
No, I haven't drank.
and I'd like you to do a field sobriety test.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Step out. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
No, sir.
Step out of the
No,
car.
sir.
All right, last chance. You're going to jail.
What's she doing?
Just climb in the passenger seat of the car.
No, sir, I'm not doing that. This is excessive.
It's not excessive. We haven't done anything to you yet, except for asking you to get out of the
I
car.
asked you your badge number. You made me come out of the car. I'm not doing this. Please don't do this to me, please. This is the rest of my life. Please don't do this to
You
me.
did this to yourself. Step out of the car.
No, I'm not. My mom and somebody else is coming in here. Please, sir, no.
Get out.
No.
We're not doing this anymore.
No, please.
We're not doing this anymore.
No.
Get out of the car. We're not doing this anymore, okay?
Relax. Listen, relax. Relax. Just go down. Just go down.
I didn't
Go
do anything.
Just relax. Relax.
Please don't do this to me. Please.
The situation has now crossed from a routine traffic stop into a physical arrest. Officers are trying to gain control while the driver is overwhelmed and resisting. Moments like these are chaotic, stressful, and often become the most scrutinized part of any body cam investigation.
I have debilitating anxiety. Please, my mom is coming. My mom is right there. My mom. Please. Please. My mommy is right there.
No, your mommy's not here.
No, my mom is right there. No, please. Please do not.
Listen, do you have anything on you?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Have what on me?
Anything that's gonna hurt us or yourself?
No. Wait. No, please.
Just sit in the car. Just sit in the car.
No, please. Can you please give me my slippers? It's my jewel.
All right, I got it.
Relax, relax. We got it.
My jewel charger is on the ground. Please, it's
I can't get to it. That pocket's
Can
full.
you please, can somebody fix my socks?
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Relax.
Please, somebody fix
We'll fix it.
my Xanax. I need my. Please, somebody
I'll
fix.
get
Please, please. My mommy is coming. My mommy is coming. My mom.
Hi there. You here for your daughter, I imagine?
Yes,
Yeah, I think she's in custody right now.
she's in custody.
I believe so.
For being a head.
I just got here. I don't know, but she seems to be out of control or having some type of issue.
Yes.
Why don't you just stay right here in the car for a minute so we don't rile her up anymore, and that way you stay warm. I'll have my supervisor come over and talk to you, okay?
Couldn't have given her more opportunities to have someone come get her.
Yeah.
And her behavior
I
was.
just couldn't. I know she gets like this anxiety and goes bananas.
Yeah, anxiety, but I mean, that's a little more than. You know, we tried to give her more opportunities in the world, and she's.
I know. I'm telling her to shut up. This is what she does. But I mean, I don't know. It's kind of normal behavior at this point. So what's she getting arrested for? Because this is going to cost a lot of money that we don't have.
We're not sure yet of all the charges.
It's definitely charges on her.
Yeah, probably multiple.
Oh, great. This is wonderful.
Neither of us stopped her, so he can explain more. But
All right, listen. You're suspected of driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and drugs. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to answer any questions or give statements.
You told me they can pick
You
me
will be
up.
afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise this right.
Please, let me go. Got my mom in the bathtub. Please, just let me go. I can't afford 2 DUIs and my insurance, please. That's my mommy. Please don't charge me another DUI.
Well, then don't drink and drive.
No, he's driving away. That's the boss, so she's in his car.
So what are
She'll
they
give you a
taking
call.
her for? You
probably
know?
DUI.
DUI?
Yeah, disorderly, resisting arrest.
Thanks for
Yeah.
coming out. Wish you got here earlier,
No
but
problem.
yeah.
I wish so too.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
It's okay. That's all right. She got to learn somehow.
I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your back.
I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
want my mom.
Put your hand behind your back.
I want my mom.
Put your hand behind your back and stop
Ow.
resisting.
Sir,
Stop
I'm
resisting.
Sir, I'm not resisting.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sir, I'm small.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sorry, I have
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sir, I'm small. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. I have a dislocated shoulder. You're hurting me. Sir, I can't put my arm behind my back that way. Do you still have your body cam on?
Who's the cuffs of these? I have no idea.
Try closing them.
Can't. Oh my god. I'm going back.
I'm suing the f*** out of you. I would like my slippers, please. Sure, right now. No, no, no. No, no! 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 No, I didn't do anything wrong. I don't want him near me. Or him. 538 or 508. I don't want him near me. I don't want them near me.
508's not here. This is 408, okay?
408 too. I don't want to talk to either of them.
I'm the one arresting you. You can have a seat in that chair over there. I gotta read this to you, alright? Rhode Island law requires you to submit to a chemical test of your blood, breath, or urine for the purpose of determining the chemical content of your body fluids or breath. You have the right to have an additional chemical test performed at your own expense. You'll be afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise these rights. Access to a telephone will be made available for you to make those arrangements. Did you want to make a phone call?
I haven't been subject to a field sobriety or an alcohol test. The only reason that it was so is because you asked me to read your badge number to get out of the car, and it
I
felt.
don't recall me asking you to do a field sobriety test, at which time you decided you wanted to climb from your driver's seat to your passenger seat, and you kept saying, no, you're not going to do it.
The only reason I was outside of the driver's seat was because you made me read your badge number.
I didn't make you do anything, okay?
He said, what's my badge number, and he made me get out of the driver's seat.
Everyone can leave the room. Yep.
I would like to speak
Have
to
a
my
seat.
mother.
Have a seat.
No, I don't like you.
It doesn't matter if you like me or not.
I don't like you.
I am the arresting
want
officer.
Where
You can make a phone call right here.
Where is my phone?
I have your phone.
Can I have it?
You can make a phone call right
Can
here.
I have it to find my
No.
phone numbers?
Listen, you don't bark orders here.
Can I have it to find my phone number to call my mom? I don't know my mom's phone number off the
So
top
you
of my
get her cell phone
head.
so she can get her mother's phone number, please? You're not going to dictate how this goes, okay? This isn't my first day on the job. Have a seat.
I'm not having a seat.
Your mom's number. Pick up the phone.
Can I have my phone?
That's your mom's phone number.
I would like my phone.
Doesn't matter. That's not how this
Where
goes.
is she? Is my mom out there? Is my mom out there?
She's not home. She's not home. She's not home.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
What do I have to do? Do I dial 9?
Just dial the number.
The body cam may be over, but the legal consequences are just beginning. Court records reveal that the case ended with a plea agreement, probation, fines, and a suspended license. One emotional night turned into lasting consequences, a reminder that every decision behind the wheel can change your future in an instant.